recently had the incredible opportunity to experience scuba diving with Ocean Spirit. We did discover scuba diving. It was the very first time for the whole family with 3 teenagers, and it was nothing short of amazing. We were all excited but admittedly a bit nervous about what to expect underwater. Our dive instructors Nando and Yo were incredibly professional, patient, and friendly, making us feel at ease right from the start. They took the time to explain the basics of diving and ensured that everyone, from the youngest teen to the oldest adult, was comfortable with the gear and techniques before entering the water. This preparation made a huge difference in making us feel secure and helped us feel ready to explore. The moment we descended into the water, all our worries disappeared. The underwater world was like nothing we'd ever imagined: vibrant coral reefs, shoal of fish, and the serene quiet of the ocean enveloped us. Watching our teenagers' faces light up when they saw colorful fish swimming together was priceless. It was such an exciting experience, and we found ourselves laughing and sharing the excitement of seeing marine life for the first time. The dive was an experience. My husband and I were thrilled to share something so unique with our teens, and they absolutely loved it. It's not often that we find activities that appeal to all ages, but this one brought us closer together in ways we never expected. If you're considering trying scuba diving as a family, I highly recommend Ocean Spirit. It's an adventure that provides a perfect mix of adrenaline and tranquility, and it's one that we will cherish forever. We can't wait to dive again. If you like your diving very laid back, this is the place. Laid back briefings, laid back boat protocols, laid back owners and DMs, and very laid back diving itself. Did a 10-dive package between 9 to 13 April, and while 3 of the dives were a bit underwhelming and remarkable, Carpenters and the Wall/3 Caves, Shamenta/Turtle Rock, there were 2 great wreck dives, Stella Maru and KT Mauer, and another 5 I would rank in my best 40 to 50 dives ever, including the Red Sea, Hawaii and the Mozambique Islands. Oasis, more moray eels and stonefish than I have ever seen on any dive, plus a goblinfish and several different nudibranches. The Reef, parrots, anemone clownfish, neon purple triggerfish, humbugs, titan triggerfish, blue peats and eel catfish by the score. Point vacuos, rhinopius, juvenile angelfish, weedy scorpionfish, tea coral, scores of lionfish, ribbon eels, frogfish, octopus, cleaner wrasse to clean your ears, and marvel patches, eels, stonefish, giant barracuda, octopus, juvenile angelfish, turtle, etc. All reefs brilliant for hard and soft corals and the sea life, including all the pretty little things. Planning to go back in September. Not to be missed by the serious and recreational diver. Highly recommended. Kevin Graham.